Welcome guys to tutorial info channel. In front of me is ASUS ROG Phone 9 and in this video I am going to show you how to change screen recording sound settings on this device. Alright, so to do this, first you have to open shortcut panel by swiping from the top to the bottom, and now right here you have to find screen recorder. As you can see, for me it's right here. And what you have to do now is just hold on it to open screen recording settings, and here you have to just swipe down to find this record audio, where we can choose if you want to record microphone audio, device audio, microphone audio and microphone, so both of them at the same time or just none of them. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.